falling. And now, where's that girl?
I thought that was something.
No, I think you got it underneath that. You better just hold it till we get some light, bro.
I'm not holding it.
You better hold it till we get some light. I'll go to McDonald's right here. You better hold it.
Hurry!
We don't...
Stop recording! Stop recording!
What you want me to do?
What do you want me to do?
Wait a minute. Naya!
Get the spider!
You got a spider in that paper towel. Is it dead? Is she scared too? Oh, shit. Go. It's dead. It's right here. It's dead. Kale fries. My artichoke. Girl. Please eat that chicken. She eat that chicken.
It's like a cruise plate.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
It looks like a carnival. Can I get a Coke? It's an A1.
Do you want something to drink?
Drive.
Okay, y'all, I gotta tread lightly because y'all know we don't have a working refrigerator. So, and I do want my creamer for my coffee tomorrow. So I'm gonna get one of these little small ones and then put it in some ice. See if that'll work. Gotta beat the system. This is cafe mocha. I like hazelnut. Hazelnut will do. Want me to get them, but I'm gonna get them. Kel getting fresh for his birthday. Okay, check them out. Look at the waves. Let me see the waves. Okay. All right. Corey from Power Cuts. Ooh. Got him straight for his birthday. Look at him in the mirror. Boy, you a mess. Look at that haircut. Fresh. And let's look at the oils we had to get too, Kel. They got some oils in there, y'all. The oil smells so good. And you know oils last a long time than regular, yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful day. That smell like a vacation, child. Chanel, number 5. Creed. Adventus.
And
Barack Obama. And let me see, Bearcat Rouge.
And
Perfect and the other one mine. I think we got 3 each, right?
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
They smell good too. Y'all come get y'all some oils from Power Cuts. Right there. Power Cuts, baby. Okay, y'all. So today is Friday, right? And y'all know we've been having refrigerator problems. It is already clunked out. Period on both sides. So our new refrigerator is coming today. And it says between 10 and 2. It is that clock is fast. So it's probably about 11:15-ish. So I'm excited because y'all having a refrigerator wasn't the move at all. And we ain't had a refrigerator since last Sunday. So, yeah, do the math. It's been almost a week, okay? So they're going to come today, and I want to see how the refrigerator look because it's supposed to be stainless steel. I hope it got a lot of, storage room compartments, but I'll let y'all see. This is the refrigerator that we did have. I'm show y'all. So this is our refrigerator, or the old fridge. This is this one. And it really didn't have that much space, to tell you the truth. Did not have that much space. So, hopefully, the new one has a little something going on. You know what I mean?
In the trash right now.
Come on, guys. Like you said, it's our night, right? So let's get out and have some fun.
All right, guys. Miss Kinley is getting potty trained. She's doing so well, right? You about to go pee-pee now? Mm-hmm. All right. Good job. Girl, pee. She always look at me like that. Like, you're not going to pee?
Yeah.
Well, go ahead.
That's
Goodbye, refrigerator. Goodbye. Kinley said goodbye, refrigerator. Goodbye. So Miss Ma'am got me watching Trolls. Anytime I take this off, she'll come back from downstairs and be like, why Trolls ain't on? She'll have a little attitude. And then she'll go back upstairs, and then I gotta be stuck watching Trolls, y'all. Look at her to the door, looking at the people. Kinley, you see the refrigerator? It's just right, too, to go out that door.
Ready?
It's the new fridge. Okay, y'all, just relaxing. Hey, baby. So welcome back to the channel.
We could do it Saturday.
Tamara's trying to figure out how she's getting her hair braided for homecoming. I'm trying to figure out why did I start uncombing my locks? Like, why? Tamara. Pooh. Ooh, now I hit the button. Tamara, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, boo-boo? Get your hair braided? She down here bothering me, y'all. She don't ever be down here. But every time she want... No. What?
I want my hair braided for homecoming, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kara's birthday is Sunday, right?
Yeah.
He want to get his ears pierced
Tomorrow. Yes.
I can't get my hair done tomorrow.
You can't.
I got practice all next week.
You probably have to miss a day. So what's next?